Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, May the 1st, 2021. We have here in the newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, an additional with Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. But I won't do them all today. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the Sudokus with 3 stars and 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and 1 binary puzzle. And maybe tomorrow on Sunday, because Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, I will do the rest. So the first one will be a number 2723. Yeah, I made an error with the numbering. The last 6 or 5 puzzles with the numbering, but this one is correct. 2723. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. The 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Let me see. The number. All right, we have a 5 in this column, the 5 in the last column, so the column be 3. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then. How about yeah. 4. Yeah, 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then let me see. How about the 2 in the third row, the 2 in the second row? So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. That means the other 2 boxes in the first row should be the numbers 5 and 7. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 7 goes there. All right. Let me see. 8. Yeah. Okay. We have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. All right. Well, we have 4 missing numbers now in this first column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this big square, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and 8. Remember this? 1 and 8. That means in the first column, the other 2 numbers should be the numbers 4 and the 6 are missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 6. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. All right. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. All right. Okay. Then let me see. 7 7 4 4. Okay. 5 5. 3 3. 7 8 8. 7 7. Yeah. All right. In this column, the second column, second column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 8. 2 6 8. 2 6 8. And look, we have a 2 and an 8 there. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the second column for the number 6. All right. 5 7 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in the third column are the numbers 4. The 5 is missing. And the 7, 4 5 7, 4 5 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 there. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing, no, the 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 4 is missing. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. 1 box left. No. We have 2 numbers left. The 6 and the 8. In this column, we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 6. All right. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. All right. All right. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and the 9. All right. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. All right. Let me see. Do we have a pair? 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. All right. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Oh, all right. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. All right. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay. 3. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here are also 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. All right. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 5. All right. How about 1 and a 6, 1 and a 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, I need a 1 there. Do we have a 9? Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. 6, 2, 3, 3. Okay, so we need a 3 here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 here. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. All right. Then. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row? So the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 8 too. All right, 1 number left in the middle row for the number 6. Okay, 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. All right, now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. All right, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. All right, 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe 6. Yes, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 1. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. All right, finished in 50 minutes. And I'm very pleased with the time, because for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. 15 to 20 minutes? No, 15 to 20 for a 2 stars. Yeah, I think this puzzle is a 2 stars. 15 to 20 minutes, a 2 stars. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, 1 star. And if it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So 2 stars, yes, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.